Cleaning your Ninja Foodi Grill after every use is just as easy as cooking in it. Before cleaning, be sure to unplug the unit. First, be sure the splatter shield has cooled completely before removing for cleaning. Use your thumb to release the front clip by pushing the tab upward, and use your other hand to pull one of the tabs toward you. The cooking pot, grill grate, and crisper basket are ceramic coated and non-stick for quick and easy cleanup. The cooking pot, grill grate, crisper basket, and splatter shield are also dishwasher safe. If food residue is stuck on the cooking pot, grill grate, crisper basket, splatter shield, or any additional Foodi Grill accessories, soak them in warm, soapy water before washing. If scrubbing is necessary, use the Ninja Foodi Grill cleaning brush that is included with your unit. To clean the main unit and control panel, wipe them clean with a damp cloth. Now that was easy. For more information and recipes, visit ninjakitchen.com.